Getting an 800 horsepower Mustang thanks to the Ford Performance Whipple Supercharger kit sounds great until the car takes off on its own. Yes, Ford is recalling yet something else. This time it's not actually a car, it's the Whipple Supercharger kit they're selling for the 24 and up Mustang GTs and Dark Horses.
No! God, please, no! No!
This one blows my mind. I think this is hilarious because we all know Ford's been recalling a ton of vehicles lately, and now we're recalling supercharger kits. We could not access the ECU to the 24 and up Mustangs in order to tune them or mod them, and everyone was complaining about it. So they offered this Whipple Supercharger kit, which you had to use the Whipple tune for, and now we have problems with it. Not particularly the supercharger itself, but the software programming. Now, this has actually got the attention of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, which is why we're recalling this. They have gotten reports and have issued a claim for the Ford Performance Whipple Aftermarket Supercharger Kit for the 24 and 25 Mustang GT and Dark Horse. It says that it has the potential to disable functional safety features that will result in, quote, unintended acceleration or unintended vehicle movement. This issue is not caused by the supercharger itself, but it says the power control module itself is what's to blame. The software tends to disable a level 2 functional safety feature that specifically will cause the throttle to be stuck open. Obviously, this will increase the risk of crash. Some owners may notice a malfunction indicator light or a wrench light on the dash cluster, providing some warning of a possible issue. Holy crap. So the software that's running the supercharger, or the tuning of the supercharger, is cutting off safety features to the throttle, which are now allowing the throttle to be stuck open. I can see where that's a problem. It says the problem was first noted during a sign-off testing in 25. 3 days later, Ford Performance Parts stopped the sale of these upgrade kits. There's been no need to recommend that owners stop driving their vehicles. Still, this is quite a worrisome issue as the kit boosts output to 800 horsepower. I mean, yeah, could you imagine an 800 horsepower car with a throttle stuck open? That's a problem. Yet they're saying it's not a stop driving vehicle issue problem. I don't understand. You're going to recall this stuff, but then you're going to say it's not a major issue when in the description it is an issue because the National Highway Safety Administration is involved. I think they got to look at their wording a little bit better here. So anyway, if you have a Whipple Supercharger kit on your 24 and up Mustang GT or Dark Horse, get that software checked out, because that's the last thing you want is to be driving down the highway and having your car just take off on you. Or maybe you're getting in it and then you go to pull off the throttle and the throttle's stuck open. Now you're screwed. Let us know down in the comments if you have a Whipple Supercharger kit from Ford Performance. How is it working out for you? Have you had any problems with it at all? Reliability wise, software issues, anything like that? I want to know what your thoughts are down in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe button on your way out. Check you out in the next upload.